Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Somto and today I'm back with another skincare video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the ordinary peeling solution without damaging your skin. The first step is to double cleanse. I'm going to be using this baby soap. It's very hydrating and moisturizing soap. So I'm going to use this to massage my face for 60 seconds. I'm using the 60-second method. It's been working great for me guys. Today's hug, I have a special hug for this special person. Edo Inimos, I hope I pronounced that right. Your comment made me so happy. So thank you, babe. And if you want a special hug from me, all you have to do is like and comment on this video. So after massaging my face with the soap for 60 seconds, I'm going to rinse it off and pat it dry. Then I'm going to use this my bio cleanser. I'm going to use it to wipe off any excess data that I have on my skin. Also use it to clean my pores and all those that like this is very important. I recommend it guys. Like just take a look at all these excess data that I got from my face even after washing it, guys. Now I'm going to go in with my ordinary guys. This is the most important part. You have to take this thing and dot it on your T-zone area. Guys, this is what you should not do. This right here is what you should not do. Don't take it this close to your eyes. Bring it down like this. You understand? Don't take it this close to the right side. Just look at the left side. That is correct. Like if you take it too close to your eyes, it's going to affect you, especially if you have sensitive eye area. So don't do that, guys. Just look at what I'm doing here. Don't take it that high to your eyes, okay? Now I'm going to use my fingers and spread this through my face. After spreading it out, I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes. They recommend to do this for only 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it becomes sticky and tacky. I'm going to go ahead and rinse it up. And guys, look at my pores have instantly closed up, guys. This is like magic. After rinsing it up, I'm going to go ahead and pat it dry with a towel. So people leave this to air dry, but I don't have time. After air drying it, I'm going to go in with a moisturizer. Guys, this is very soothing. This is a baby soap. I'm going to use this to moisturize my face. It's very hydrating, moisturizing. Guys, this is very good, okay? Any moisturizer you are using, just make sure that it's hydrating, okay? Because you just build your skin, you need as much hydration as you're going to get. After that, I'm going to go in with my sunscreen. Guys, sunscreen is very important. It's very important. It can make or break your skincare routine. Sunscreen is important. Don't skip it, okay? After I apply my sunscreen, I'm just going to massage that into my skin. Just look at all that glow, guys. Oh, guys, I love this. This is that's all I do for before you for the ordinary peeling solution. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging with me today. I really appreciate you all. I love you guys. Until next time. Bye bye.
Tired eyes need a cup of blend. That's right. In the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track